Okay, the sixth type of virus is stealth viruses, also called as tunneling viruses. Tunneling viruses. These viruses try to hide from antivirus program by actively altering and corrupting the service call interrupts while running. It tricks antivirus and hides itself. Any exam question related to hiding viruses will be the stealth virus. To remove this type of virus, always perform cold boot. That is, boot from write protected CD DVD. There are other ways of removal as well, which is generic to other viruses also. So I'm not going to talk about that now. So the next type of viruses is encryption virus. This type of virus consists of encrypted copy of the virus and decryption module. The decryption module remains constant, whereas the encryption makes use of different keys. When the attacker injects the virus into the target machine, the decryptor will first execute and decrypt the virus body. Then the virus body executes and replicates or become residents in the target machine. Resident in the target machine. The replication process is successfully accomplished using the encryptor. Each virus infected file uses a different key for encryption. So the next type of virus is sparse infector viruses. Sparse infector virus infect less often and try to minimize their probability of discovery. Example, the attacker sends a sparse infector virus to the target machine and sets a wake-up call out for the virus to execute on 15th day of every month. This strategy makes it difficult for the antivirus program to detect the virus, thus allowing the virus to infect the target machine successfully. Ninth type is polymorphic virus. Similar to encryption virus, this also has a decryption and encryption modules. Polymorphic viruses modify their code for each replication to avoid detection. They accomplish this by changing the encryption module and the instruction sequence. Polymorphic mechanisms use random number generators in their implementation. A polymorphic virus consists of three components: the encrypted virus code, the decryptor routine, and the mutation engine. Tenth type is metamorphic viruses. Metamorphic viruses are programmed such that they rewrite themselves completely each time they infect a new executable file, but the original algorithm remains intact. The key thing is the original algorithm that will not change, but only the way they implement this algorithm keeps on changing with every new executable. This technique, in which the original algorithm remains intact, is used to avoid pattern recognition by antivirus software. Commonly used metamorphic virus is 32 slash simile and zmist. 11th type of virus, overwriting file or cavity viruses. Some programs have empty spaces in them. Cavity viruses, also known as space fillers, overwrite a part of those file with a constant, usually nulls, without increasing the length of the file while preserving its functionality. The most popular virus family in this category is CIH virus, known as Chernobyl or space filler. Companion or camouflage viruses. The companion virus stores itself with the same file name as a target program file. Example, if there is a file called notepad.exe, it creates a file called notepad.com containing the virus. The virus usually plant this file in the same directory as the .exe file. However, it can also place it any directory on the DOS path. If you type notepad and press enter, DOS executes command.com instead of notepad.exe. In sequence, DOS will execute com and then exe and then bat files with the same root name. They're all in the same directory. The virus executes, possibly infecting more files, and then loads and executes notepad.exe. The user would probably fail to notice that something is wrong. It is easy to detect a companion virus just by the presence of the extra com file in the system.